what if we told you that you could use a platform that we know you guys are very much familiar with to be able to make money online? Now, we are very sure that everybody watching today's video listens to music, watches videos on a daily basis. Correct? You'd be lying if you said no. Now, you probably didn't know this, but it's actually a very fantastic way to make money, and we are surprised that you guys don't know about it yet. In today's video, we're going to teach you a strategy that will not require any experience or skills from you, and it is completely free and it is always available. So, no matter where you are in the whole wide world, you can actually participate. So, this is how much you are going to get paid. If you use this method, you are going to earn $5 for listening to one song and $25 for watching 5 videos. And then, by listening to 20 songs, you're going to earn $100 every single day. You can complete today's method in less than 10 minutes using your smartphone, your laptop, or your computer, whatever it is you want. And what we love about this video is that you can do it over and over and over and over again, no matter how many times you'd like, which means that's how often you're going to be making money. And once again, we're going to show you a very important step in today's video that's going to help you make more money. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. So the website that we're referring to today is one of the most popular websites on the internet today. And we're sure you're aware of this platform. In fact, you're probably using it right now. And yes, it is YouTube. And yes, you can make money on YouTube by literally listening to music. Now, the very first website that we're going to be using in today's video is current.com, and on this website you can actually earn points by listening to your favorite music. So we just want to make sure that you guys pay close attention so that when you do this on your own, you're not gonna get lost. And we're gonna walk you through the process, and we don't want you to miss out on any important information. We're also gonna tell you what to do with the music that you've already chosen and how to maximize your earnings. Now, when we visit this website, current.com, you'll see that this is available on both the Apple App Store and the Google App Store. So, whether you have an Android or an Apple device, you can actually do this. And when we go to the Play Store, it'll look like this. Make sure that you've selected the correct application. So this is the current logo on the Google Play and Apple App Stores, right? This is how it appears. So be sure to just click on that. They have a 4.4 rating out of 5 on Google Play Store, which is great. And this is actually a pretty excellent rating. So don't worry about this like being sketchy or not reliable. It has over 1 million reviews from over 1 million app users. And this only shows that there are a lot of people making real money with this app. And on the Apple Store, they have like a 4.7 rating, which is even better than the Google Play Store. So I guess it works better on an iOS device. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now we're back to current.com, and as you can see right here, they have over 100,000 radio stations. One of these is YouTube. You can even play music online or offline. So this method is actually very powerful. If you listen to songs here, you can earn points, and when you earn points, you can convert them to real cash. Now what we want you to do is go to YouTube Music, which is located at music.youtube.com. And when you visit the website, you will arrive at this page, and that should look like this. As you can see, there are actually so many recommended songs, so many suggested artists, and the editor suggested playlists. If you played these songs with the current.us, combining the two will actually make profit on complete autopilot. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is a YouTube playlist that we often listen to. And when you look at this playlist, you will notice that there are many different songs for you to listen to. So this is the queue right here. If you queue songs, right, it will be added here. And as a result, once one song is finished playing, the next song that you chose to queue will begin playing on its own automatically. So basically, you get paid for each song that you're able to complete or finish. Now, when you look down here, you'll see this button, which is the repeat button. And if you click this, the playlist will play again and again. That's kind of the point of the repeat button in the first place. Now, after the last song on this playlist, you will automatically be brought back to the first song and play the entire playlist again, allowing us to make money over and over again, because the more songs that we listen to, the more money that we can earn. So the first step that we're going to be giving you to help you generate more money is to queue a lot of songs, okay? As you can see from our playlist, we currently have about like 20 songs, and we will obviously be adding more. And so what we want you to do is add a lot. Add as many as you can. Now, go back to the homepage and click on Explore, right? By doing so, you will see more songs, albums, genres, as well as moods. So Current is going to pay you more this way. When you start playing from Explore, and we want you to be aware that YouTube will not be paying anything, okay? YouTube is not going to pay us unless you post videos, but that is not what we're doing. Current is, but Current is collaborating with YouTube, so Current can pay us. That's basically how it works. So, you can earn by linking your Current to YouTube and then sync them all together. And these two websites will complement each other, like Peanut Butter and Jelly, or like a pen and ink, or pen and paper, something like that. So you will be compensated for playing these songs and watching videos on YouTube. Now we're going to show you two methods. So we're sure you're very much aware of this because almost all of us use YouTube every day, but did you actually know that you can play videos that have song compilations? Now if you know that, and then you already know what to search for, right? Like this one, for example. Take a look at this video of relaxing Starbucks inspired coffee music. This video is 5 hours long, and we chose it because it's obviously relaxing and we can listen to this without being interrupted or disturbed, which is especially useful when we're working. You can also listen to this while studying. You can absolutely listen to this if you want to sleep, if you want to listen to something that will help you relax. You know, maybe you can sleep or clean or study or read while listening, and then you're still earning money while doing so. And the best part, you can repeat this over and over again, right? If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So, we are currently using our computer and we have 3 tabs open. This is yet another special tip to follow. You can actually have multiple tabs open and play them all at once. Okay, fine. So, let me show you the 2 other tabs we've opened, which are these tabs. Make sure that the videos you're watching or songs you're listening to, or at least one of them, is long. The next thing that you're going to want to do is click on the settings button right here and change the playback speed to 2. So the more music you play, the more money you will make. So if you actually double the speed, you're going to earn money twice as fast. Now, we want you to right click on the video and select the loop option, and in this way this video will automatically play again and again without you having to restart it on your own. So playing 3 songs at the same time is probably not going to sound good, which is why we can mute the 2 other videos that are playlists. Then you can listen to the one you like the best. And another tip that we're going to give you is actually play this in 144p because it works better. If you have low internet speed and you're using data, or you just simply have really bad internet connection, you can watch it in 144p. The video will become faster. It'll also take time if you load 3 tabs. So it's fine not to do it if your resolution isn't at 144p and if you have a fast internet connection. Now, this tip, however, is for those who have slow internet connections, okay? Just a reminder that you must connect your user radio station to the current. You can play them from your computer or from YouTube. You can either use either method. You can listen to YouTube music or on your phone while you're watching YouTube videos on your computer if you have both a phone and a computer. Okay, now final and most important step that will assist you and make it easier for you. There is a new Google Chrome extension called YouTube Playback Speed Controller. We'd like to open that on your Chrome browser and install that extension. This is something that you can actually have on your computer as well as on your phone. And when you actually use this extension, you can multiply the speed by 3. And the max speed on YouTube is multiplied by 2, so this allows faster playback. Now, as a result, it'll be faster and it will be more efficient. And this is going to allow us to play a bigger selection of songs. So you can see right here that you can actually manage the speed at the top right hand corner of the screen and control it right here. So if you have this extension, you're going to make money quicker and you're going to make more money because the video will play 3 times faster than what was given on the YouTube app, which is going to allow you to earn more money in a shorter span of time. Again, what we wanted you to do was to go on the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, download this, make sure to link it to your YouTube account, and that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching.